patient who is in his 50s.
The first rhinoplasty was done 30 years ago, and then we've done work on the radix. We've had to harvest less because I've done augmentation.
Hello everyone, greetings from Richardson's Hospital. We are here right outside the operation theatre with a patient who is in his 50s, early 50s, and this is minutes before the surgery, just to brief you all about what is going to happen. He came here seeking rhinoplasty. He had a discussion with Dr. Richardson, scan was explained to him, he was told about the possible options, and also we asked him as to what his concerns remain. So it will be a cosmetic rhinoplasty, and he says that he had a rhinoplasty, he doesn't remember the exact surgery, around 1987, which was years back, and that point in time a graft was taken from his hip bone or iliac bone for dorsal augmentation. So the bone that is placed right now is the iliac bone, which was taken years back. His concerns include tip work, the width reduction and the alar flare reduction. Also this at the radix the uniformity is not maintained. There is a slight depression which if corrected will be better for his face. So these are the changes which he is seeking. You have some say, sir?
After the surgery, I will say.
Okay. Sure. So these are the changes that he is expecting, and hopefully Dr. Richardson will be able to deliver that. The scan has been taken, we have told it will be revision, so there will be a lot of scarring, and it is going to be possibly an open structure septorhinoplasty with rib or without rib. Both has been counselled and has been told to him depending upon the scan and the on-table surgical evaluation. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Note that his primary surgery or the first rhinoplasty was done 30 years ago, and this is how he is. He's now in his 5th decade of life. A lot of issues. You can see there's warping, tip is bulbous, the nose is way too broad, issues of the radix, so we're going to take care of all of this. A slight deviation too. So you can see this was a revision rhinoplasty that we started, and this was how he was before. He had a iliac crest graft placed 3 decades ago in another city. It was much before I started doing any rhinoplasties. And then we've done work on the radix. We've had to harvest rib, work on the tip. As you can see, we've increased the projection of the tip, increase the augmentation, a lot of tip plasty, a lot of reconstructive work on the septum, tip, dorsum, septal grafts, spreader grafts, rim grafts, tip grafts, dorsal grafts, and then we move from there to here. It's taken us 3 hours. He also has thick skin, which didn't help us much, and that's his result now. This is after. Okay, the color of his mustache. You can see the projection though that we've achieved. Small line is a scar that he got from his primary rhinoplasty done elsewhere. That's all he was before we started. You can see the same line. And this is now. Okay. Okay, mirror kondu variya. அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்குறியா? Oh, sorry. கொடுத்துரு ஒரு mirror. Yes. Okay. How is it looking? Whole new face? Yeah. So see this, these grooves are less because I've done augmentation, straight nose. The tip you see is very broad, and so this is a revision rhinoplasty. So this gentleman had his first rhinoplasty 30 years ago, right?
Yeah.
87?
1987.
1987, and at that time they had taken bone from the
Yeah, bone graft.
from the leg, right, iliac crest, and this is how he was when he came to us, and so it was really challenging. I had to not only remove a lot of this bone graft that had partially resorbed, and I've used some rib now as an onlay, as a strut, as a tip graft, dorsum. We've done some osteotomy, and I'm going to show you the side views as well. And so this is the front view, so you can see the improvement. These grooves have gone, these grooves have reduced, the shape of the nose. I'm going to show you some other views. Move on, look at that. That's a side view. So നിങ്ങൾ കാണാം, you can see മുമ്പ് എങ്ങനെ ആംഗിൾ ഉണ്ടായി കണ്ട, ഇത് നമുക്ക് പിഗ് നോസ് പിന്നെ സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ആക്കി, and ഇവിടെ കണ്ട സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ്. So ഇപ്പം ഇവിടെ there was a depression and all of that. അപ്പം so we've corrected this, we've increased the projection, made the dorsum straight, given him a nice tip, increased the balance, the proportion between the alar and the columella. And that's another view, 3/4 view. Yeah, thank you. So ippam this nose valare suit aava, and your look also looks younger, looks much younger. Bashe, you know, because it's a revision rhinoplasty and because it has taken what shall I say, I've taken graft. Appam, you have to be careful for another 4 to 6 weeks.
Okay.
We'll give you medicine, take good care, it has to all heal. Namaka will give you a doctor's number also.
Okay.
And another thing, after a few weeks you can come also, because if you are not very far, you can come, because you're not so far. If possible, you can come for a second consult. Today we'll remove all these stitches.
Okay.
And diet, no problem, as I already mentioned, you can eat what you want. But take good care of the nose.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Your experience here was good?
Yeah. Very good.
No problem.
Absolutely.
That's nice.
Only I have a suggestion that
Okay.
make arrangement before getting good food, healthy food.
Food you want? Yeah, we should make some arrangement for that.
All patients are
Having problem with
facing the
food.
Same problem
With food.
regarding food.
Correct. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. Yeah, actually, how do I say? We are not having a license to start a canteen according to NABH. So we'll apply again. So we're trying to outsource, but yeah, outsourcing, people are having problems. But thanks for that feedback. We will tell the manager and try to improve that little bit more.
Yeah. And regarding the toilet and all.
That was some more
This-
improvement. We'll do that also. And regarding the pain that you had, was it bearable, unbearable and all? Pain and all was nothing much. Oh, that's incredible. Okay, so you had some other issues that mosquitoes?
No, much.
Not mosquitoes. There's some patients that from mosquitoes.
Only
All
one
right,
or two.
the food we will sort out. So thank you for your feedback, and we will look into this. I will put the manager to say how we can improve. Yeah, I know, because people come from different parts of India, different parts of abroad, so food is sometimes a concern. We will look at it very seriously. And meanwhile, you take care, take the medicines,
Sure.
and be in touch. So if there's anything we can troubleshoot, nothing should happen, but still.
Okay.
All right.
Again, within 6 months, I am coming with one of my close relatives.
Okay.
That's why I can keep in touch with you.
Sure. Thank you. Okay. Take care.